Hello everybody, this is Mr. Lima. This video will focus on the Google Classroom as a resource to get us through these times of remote learning. And so it is a communications hub and a place to post resources, which is not a replacement to the Summit platform, which is still the main place to find everything that we're doing in school, including the content and curriculum. But it doesn't hurt to have things in two places. And mostly, though, I'm using this as a communications hub. In fact, the stream view, which is where you land when you first get into the classroom, is the best place to find recent announcements and things in the order they were posted. But if you are trying to find something specific, it might not be the best view. I do want to point out for students that just started that the first announcement is very important. Make sure you actually read it its entirety. In fact, that goes for everything. In times of remote learning, don't skip, don't skim. Read every email, read every announcement that the teacher sends you, because that is considered contact with you. So it's important. We're going to use that. And so I know it's a lot because a lot of emails are coming in, but that's part of what it looks like when you're doing remote learning. It's going to be okay. I know it can be overwhelming, but we'll figure this out together. One thing I can tell you is that the stream view, once again, is for seeing things that were recently posted, especially announcements. But if you want to find something specific, the classwork view might be more useful. The classwork view has topics that you can filter by and actually find specific things. The kinds of topics I have here right now are the class materials, which are the most important things you're going to be using all the time. That includes the class link to actually get to the Google Meetup. We also have the link to my office hours. Remember, I'm available every day from 8:45 to 9:45 on a first-come basis to help students one-on-one. It's a great time to get help with things that you need right now, or for previous things that you want to fix in your grade, or just talk to me in general. And I also available, especially for math students, between 1 and 1:45 in the afternoon, doing math practice time. There's also here a remote learning presentation that talks about expectations I'll have of students, and I'm going to be talking about that on my next video. And then I have the student schedule. I'm also going to be making a video about that for here from Woodland Park. And I also have information about virtual practice, which will also be a video in this series. Every week, I also post a lesson plan of the week. Whatever we did in the meetup, and that it will include links to the series videos that I recorded for that week. This week is going to be a bit longer because I'm actually going over the entire requirements for the class and doing a bit of a review of what we did so far in the unit. But most weeks, we're only going to have about 10 minutes or so of video, hopefully. Then you also have a section for the unit. It has resources, including every topic that we've covered on the unit so far, and resources for the unit as a whole. If you click on a topic, you can find presentations, notes, and practices with answers posted. And you also have a unit practice resource that includes all the exercise sets in one place. Finally, you have reviews materials for the entire unit, which include the unit review and the flipbook, which are the greatest things to catch up on whatever we cover so far. And we'll talk about that on the first content video of this week. Last but not least, we have the PFA support documents for those of you trying to pass content assessments, past, future, or present. So this is not, again, a replacement for Summit. We still do things on Summit, take a content assessment on Summit, and all the things that I'm doing here is also still posted on Summit. But I decided to post things in both places so that it can support you more and that you can't have a problem finding anything. If you have problems, though, remember I'm only one email away or available to my office hours to help you out. I will see you on the next video where we'll talk about what are the expectations that I have for remote learning students during this time. See you guys then.